Perhaps one of the easiest exterior modifications for your S550 Mustang, Diode Dynamics LED side marker lights. These come in red, smoked, or clear. Obviously, they look awesome and clear on this S550, so we're gonna show you a quick product review, then a step-by-step installation on how to install them on your car. Check it out. Here we have the Diode Dynamics LED side markers fitting your 2015 to 2023 S550 Mustang. Today we'll be installing the clear version of these side markers, but Diode also offers them in red and smoked versions as well. If you're looking to change up the side profile of your Mustang and add a little bit of LED flare, these are a great way to do it. The factory side markers have one little incandescent bulb. They're very bright in the center and they reflect all the way out. With these diode side markers, it really cleans up the look, offers an LED strip all the way down, and modernizes the appearance of your S550 Mustang. These diode side markers offer all the same safety features as your factory side markers, given that the reflectors still work as intended. Regardless of which lens you get, clear, smoked, or red, the LED itself is red for those legal reasons we were talking about. There's a reason why these Diode Dynamics LED side markers are such a popular product for S550 owners. It's a plug-and-play installation, super easy. We'll show you right now. On either side of the rear bumper, you should be able to find this tab holding the side marker in place. Press the tab towards the rear of the car and outward, and the entire housing should pop out. Then press the tab on the electrical connector to disconnect it from the side marker. Get your new Diode Dynamics LED side marker and plug it into the factory connector. Make sure the connector is properly seated. Then slide the light into the locating tab towards the rear of the bumper and press into place. Go ahead and repeat the process on the other side, and your installation's complete. These LED side markers from Diode Dynamics are probably one of my favorite exterior modifications for the S550 Mustang. Talk about bang for the buck, and on top of that, really changes up the side profile of the car, especially at night. Getting rid of that single halogen incandescent bulb in the middle and a nice LED strip in its place. The smoked version of the LED side markers are probably the most popular of the three options in terms of red, smoked, or clear from Diode Dynamics. And the reason for that is they just look good. But if you have an Oxford White S550, clear definitely does the trick. Installation couldn't be easier. If you're looking for any other Diode Dynamics parts for your Mustang, Bronco, or any other Ford vehicle, hit us up right here at Steeda.com. Be sure to comment below and let us know which one you'd like on your S550 Mustang. If there's any other product videos you want to see right here on the Steeda YouTube channel, we're all ears. Hit that like, subscribe, that notification bell, and don't forget the most important thing, speed matters.